Welcome to the Cybersecurity with Python and Web Applications course. In the modern world, the importance of technology cannot be overstated. We're all connected to each other, whether it's messaging apps, social media, e-commerce, multiplayer games, or the multitude of computerized processes that are part of our daily lives. Our health records, our financial institutions, our entertainment sources, and sometimes even the light and heat in our houses are reliant on sophisticated 24/7 networked online systems which handle petabytes of data daily. As this volume continues to grow and more systems become digitized and are brought online, the challenge to secure them becomes critical. These concepts, tools, and practices which we use to protect our systems and secure our data against malicious attacks is collectively known as cybersecurity. There is no career path in today's IT industry which does not involve a thorough understanding of cybersecurity, which makes people who are well versed in cybersecurity concepts and applications critical and in high demand. This course provides a thorough introduction and understanding of the most important topics of cybersecurity. We'll explain the thinking and the concepts behind the practices and show you how exploits work. We'll even walk you through building your own security analysis tools using the wildly popular Python programming language. You will also learn how to identify and remediate the most dangerous security flaws in modern web applications. We totally understand, and don't worry, we'll introduce the ideas and terms step by step, starting with the very basics and gradually increase your knowledge base. So you don't have to have a background in cybersecurity at all to get started. For the parts that require programming, we're going to guide you through them very slowly, so don't worry. And the programming language we're going to use is Python, which is undoubtedly one of the easiest programming languages to learn and use in today's world. So you don't have to be an experienced programmer to go through them. So without further delay, let's jump right in. There's a lot of interesting stuff to learn.